I remember watching the Tour for the first time, must have been, I don't know, I must have been like 12 or 13, and I was doing a little stage race myself where it was like 2 days, 3 stages or something, and I'd just been watching the Tour, and it was kind of, you know, in your head you're thinking, oh yeah, I'm, you know, racing up Alpe d'Huez now, and it's just a railway bridge in Manchester, like, but yeah, so then I just was addicted to watching the Tour, really. You know, I'd run home from school early to catch the last sort of 15K or something, and you know, managed to talk my dad into getting Eurosport so we could watch it, and yeah, so ever since then, really, I always dreamt of being at the Tour and at the biggest bike races, and when it all came reality in 2007, it was just such a surreal moment entering Paris, and there's one shot as you come under the bridge in the circuit and you kind of do a left-hander, and I saw the camera that, you know, when you sat in the front room all those years watching everyone come and do that corner, then all of a sudden being that other side of the camera, it was just a really surreal moment, and yeah, it's just incredible really to think, you know, you can spend so many years just dreaming of being there, and then all of a sudden you're there and it happens, and it's just a great feeling. Now with S4C buying the rights to it, it's great to see, and it you know, brings cycling to the wider audience in Wales, and hopefully inspires more kids to, like I was really, to, you know, you watch the race and you want to be a part of it, and hopefully it'll only do Welsh cycling and British cycling the world of good.